Good morning. In this lecture, I want to discuss about AMRA modulus techniques. Okay, here I have to cover advantage of AMRA modulation. Also, I have to cover disadvantages of modulation, AMRA modulation, and also I have to talk about the types of AMRA, that is AMRA PSK, AMRA QAM, and AMRA FSK. Okay, so come to the discussion on AMRA modulation technique. So when I'm talking about AMRA modulation, then in an AMRA signaling scheme, we can send one of the M possible signals such as S1T or S2T. That is maybe S1T or S2T. Okay, or till SMT. Okay, so during each signaling interval of duration t seconds, the number of possible signals, that is M, is given by. So I can write for that. So M will be 2 to the power capital N, where N is an integer. N is an integer. Okay. So now I want to talk about the advantage of AMRA modulation. So I can tell that the advantage of AMRA is the AMRA scheme are preferred to the binary schemes when we want to conserve the channel bandwidth. Okay. So this is a preferred binary scheme. Okay, AMRA scheme are preferred to the binary scheme. Okay, and the disadvantage of AMRA is the bandwidth conservation is achieved at the cost of the following disadvantage. So first disadvantage is, that is, I can tell the first disadvantage of the AMRA system is, one will be increase in transmitted power. In transmitted power, increase in transmitted power, and the second disadvantage is increase in error probability. Second disadvantage, increase in error probability. Okay, so these are the disadvantages of the AMRA system. Now I can talk about the types of AMRA system. So as per the discussion, we can tell the AMRA AMRA may be categorized as AMRA PSK, then it may be AMRA QAM, then it may be AMRA FSK. So when it is AMRA PSK, okay, in QPSK we ground together 2 bits to form message in AMRA PSK. Okay, and I am talking about that in QPSK we ground in QPSK we grouped, okay, together 2 bits to form message in QPSK system. But depending on the 2-bit message, that is 0001, 10 and 11, a sinusoidal signal of duration equal to the 2 TB and having a particular phase shift is transmitted there. So the QPSK signal differs by 90 degree or pi by 2 radians in phase with respect to each other, and for that the same principle can be further extended to obtain the AMRA PSK system here. So the AMRA PSK signals are obtained by grouping n bits together to form n bit symbol. And when I am talking about AMRA, So here n bits together to form n bit signal. N bits together to form like our what QPSK. Here n bits together to form what n bit symbol. Okay, and the symbol will be extended over a period of n TB, where TB is the duration of one bit. That will be n TB. Okay, the extended period will be n TB, and TB is what? Duration of bit. TB is what? The duration of one bit. TB is the duration of one bit. Okay, now due to the group of n bits per symbol, we can have 2 to the power n a. Okay, that is 2 to the power n, which is m. Okay, possible symbols. So these m symbols are represented by sinusoidal signals of duration, that is Ts. Okay, Ts, which is equal to n TB. Okay, and which differ from one another by a phase 2 pi by m radians. Thus the MRA-PSK waveform can be mathematically expressed. Okay, I am showing the mathematical expression of MRA system. So this is the mathematical expression of MRA-PSK waveform, which can be mathematically represented as MRA-PSK is root over of 2PS into cos omega CT plus phi m, where m is 0, 1 till m minus 1. Then when I am coming to 8 PSK system, okay, in 8 PSK system, if the 3 bits are brought together to form a message or symbol, then there will be 2 to the power 3. There will be 2 to the power 3, which is 8 messages. So a PSK system that uses 8 different phase shifts to transmit 8 symbols is known as 8 PSK system, and the message corresponding phases and the constellation diagram of 8 PSK I want to show you. Okay, I want to show you the diagram. So this is the diagram for 8 PSK system, where the message that is corresponding phase and the constellation diagram of 8 PSK. Okay, so here see the phases and the constellation diagram. Okay, the right one is or B is constellation diagram, and the previous one is, that is A, is the phases diagram. Okay, so here I can tell that this is a similar system to here I can tell that the baud rate is 1/3 of bit rate. Okay, and when it is for 8 PSK system. Okay, so here, when I want to find out the baud rate, that means we have to find out the bit rate, and the best of the bit rate we have to divide it by 3, by which we can get the baud rate when it is 8 PSK system. Okay, now when it is MRA FSK system, okay, the third one is MRA FSK system. In an MRA FSK system, is the logical express this is the MRA FSK system is the logical extension of a binary FSK system. So in MRA FSK system, MRA FSK system. Okay, so this AMRA FSK system is the logical extension of a binary FSK system, and in an AMRA FSK system, the symbols are not 1 bit long like a BPSK, okay, but each symbol is n bit long with a symbol duration. That is, the symbol duration is what, which is TS is equal to n TB. Okay, so this is the basics of AMRA FSK system. Okay, so I think now I finished the basics of or in detail of what AMRA modulation technique. Okay, so thank you very much.